In recent years, the growth of artificial intelligence has reshaped industries and redefined the boundaries of technological capabilities. The transformative impact of this technology is undeniable. From advancements in machine learning and deep neural networks to the widespread integration of AI applications, AI growth signals a profound shift in how we approach manufacturing. Here are some of the benefits of this technology in manufacturing. Improved efficiency. AI can optimize manufacturing processes by automating repetitive tasks, reducing human errors, and streamlining workflows. Predictive maintenance. AI can analyze data to predict when machinery is likely to fail. This enables proactive maintenance, minimizing downtime, and reducing maintenance costs. Quality control. AI systems can enhance quality control by inspecting products for defects. This results in improved product reliability and customer satisfaction. Cost reduction. Automation through AI can lead to cost savings by reducing the need for manual labor, minimizing waste, and optimizing resource utilization. Supply chain optimization. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize supply chain processes, predict demand, managing inventory efficiently, and identifying the most cost-effective suppliers. Customization and personalization. AI-driven manufacturing processes can be more easily adapted to produce customized products, meeting the increasing demand for personalized goods. Data-driven decision-making. AI enables manufacturers to make informed decisions based on real-time data analysis, contributing to better strategic planning and resource allocation. Read more about this and other trends in Kambashi's Insights platform, or contact us to discuss your training needs.